Sampalaman mere isave reading Bible, no isave making good pala tok tasol long Santu Maria. Olisave onaim na laikim Santu Maria good true. Osem all good pala pikinini isave laikim good pala mama bilongkol. Bible emi tok belong God. No you can find him good pala tok tasol. Go to make him long Santu Maria. Long honor him, respect him, Santu Maria. Long Evangelio Santu Luke been writing, chapter 1, verse 28, you may read him talk also Mausman belong God. Archangel Gabriel, ikamong Santu Maria, na ikisi talk to belong God, igolong Santu Maria. Na Archangel talk also good day Mary, big pala istapuantem you, na emi bin bless him you, na make him good long you. Man, this pala emi nice pala talk. Angel Gabriel, he make him go long Santu Maria. Nice pala talk true. Imitung asave Santu Luke, you know been writing Evangelio belong kind long topless pidgin, or long topless English, no God. Luke emi writing Evangelio belong kind long topless Greek. Na emi using talk or some kecharitomene, topless Greek, kecharitomene. Emi no mean go to bless him you, no God. Emi mean you full up long gratia. You full up long gratia. Em Santu Luke writing. Maria you full up long gratia. You have God he bless him plant man Mary. Tesol Santu Maria in narakain, God he maki mem, long kamap mama belong pikinini belong God. Asem na Maria in narakain, na Maria i full up long gratia. Nogat liklik hap belong body or soul belong kemistap nothing. Emi full up long God, full up long gratia belong God. Nogat liklik sin, I can come inside long kem. Nogat true. Emi clean all geta, full up long gratia. Imi call him Immaculata. Maria nogat sin istap long kem. Maria I full up long gratia belong God. Na Gabriel I talking Maria, God emi bel good true long you. Man, emi big pala talk true. God yet I bel good long Santu Maria. Asem na husat I like stap friend belong God. Emi too mas bel good long Santu Maria. Make him good pala talk tasol long Santu Maria. Long panem, go to go pass. Long show him this pala fashion, he go long Santu Maria. Asem yemi too must make him one kind fashion. You must respect him Santu Maria, na make him good pala talk tasol long him. Luke 1, verse 42. Bible talk Elizabeth emi full up long Holy Spirit. Nay make him talk wholesome. God he been make him good true long you, na give him you blessing, you win him blessing, and me give him long all arapala Mary. Elizabeth I up him name belong Santu Maria good true. Emi no talk belong him tasol. Holy Spirit is stop beside long Elizabeth, na make him good pala talk welcome long Santu Maria. And walk belong Holy Spirit. Up him name belong Santu Maria. Husat man Mary is have up him name belong Santu Maria, Emma Korsem. Holy Spirit true is have walk inside long this pala kind man Mary.